Sige. May bantay naman pala. Kagabi nandun siya, ay kahapon.
There were two of them.
Oh. Tapos, nagsi-cellphone. Pagka na may nalunod.
No, they were watching. One of them was on the phone, I think, and I was there.
Hmm. Saan ba yung hinahanap nila din na bato? Ah, ito. Nihingal na ako. Ay, ang linis naman ng tubig dito. Ang linis. Anak, tan ka dali. Picture
We're
kita.
allowed to swim here?
Ha? I don't know. Ask mo sila.